Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO Find X8 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow in first pop-up. Now hit allow all in the second one and whatever you want to in all the other ones. Following that, hit send at the bottom left corner of OPPO and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on OPPO, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories though, like for example contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times and then access your files. Either way, when you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To input this key, hit input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire and choose receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add, allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. Whatever you decided, just wait, and then when transfer is finished, close and add. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!